Hey everybody, this is Scott with Power 360 Media, and the video that you're about to watch is actually part of a series of about 18, 19 videos that we put together a few months ago. Just kind of an introduction to what AI can do for your business. And what I've decided to do is to put all these videos up on YouTube so you can watch them for free. I'm going to put a link down in the video so you can download a lot of the free content that we have. We've got some PDF documents and things like that, some supplementals that will go along with this. Um, but just be advised, with the advancement in technology and software and things like that. These videos were created about 6 months ago. There's already been advancements. So when let's say you log into ChatGPT, now there's some newer versions that are not referenced in the video and things like that. But still, the idea here was to put together a course that's really going to give you a good insight to how you can use AI with your business. We put this course together for real estate professionals, investors, real estate agents, real estate brokers, but really you can tailor this to any business that you may have. So hope you enjoy this. We've got about 18, 19 videos here that I'm going to put in a playlist. I'll put the link down to of the playlist below. I'll also have a link for all of the free documents and supplementals. Hope you enjoy it. Do me a favor, leave a comment and subscribe. That way you'll see when we post new videos about this. We'd love to hear back from you and see what we can do to help. Enjoy this introduction to AI and what it can do for your business. Thanks for watching. All right, welcome back, everybody. And in this video, we are going to continue using AI to create content for our real estate business. And in this one, we're gonna. I don't know about you, but one of the things as a real estate agent or a real estate investor that I really struggle with is writing compelling listing copy. And ChatGPT has made my life so much easier. So in this video, we're going to write a killer real estate listing using AI. Okay, so here we are. Your prompt. What are the top 5 emotional desires and triggers someone might have when buying a new home? Now, you can get even more detailed here, but this is kind of a general prompt. Let's say, when I mean more detailed, let's say if you have a specific type of buyer in mind, you could target that to a specific buyer. But generally, we got to kind of be careful what we say in some of the real estate listings. So I like to keep this kind of simple. Okay, so what are the top 5 emotional desires? So back to ChatGPT, we're going to go up here. We're going to start a new chat. And what are the top 5 emotional desires? When someone is in the process of buying a new home, their decision is often influenced by a mix of emotional desires and triggers. These factors can significantly impact their purchase choice, driving them towards a home that feels right for them on a personal and emotional level. So security and safety, comfort and stability, status and prestige, community and belonging. And number 5 is control and autonomy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to our prompts. Now write a real estate listing that caters to the emotions above. With each feature, paint a picture that allows the buyer to see themselves in the moment, make it appeal to the emotional brain and the logical brain. Write the listing where a reader that is looking to move up to a larger home because they have a growing family. Make sure the listing, and you can change that obviously. Make sure the listing complies with the marketing guidelines of the National Association of Realtors. At the end of the listing, create a sense of urgency and scarcity. Make the listing copy flow and write in the style of Werner Herzog. Now you can chat. I'm actually, if you don't know who Werner Herzog is, he's probably been in just about every documentary you've ever watched. He's got a very fluid type of writing, very emotional type of writing. Sometimes it's a little much, so you might consider in fact, I'm going to take that out of there. You can keep that in there or take it out. Do not use separating headlines or bullet points. Write in paragraph format. The Werner Herzog, it almost made it sound a little too cheesy for me. You know what? Let's keep it in there just for fun. But again, if it sounds a little too cheesy, then you can take that out. And then I just came up with some features of a home that I just pulled up on Redfin. So I copied and pasted those in there. But you can put obviously your listings in there as well. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to hit paste. And let's see what our listing comes up to. Incidentally, if your MLS or your listing has a maximum number of words, you can also add that in there, keep it under 750 words or whatever. So let's see what we got here. In the heart of McAllister Park, Olympia, Washington, lies a sanctuary that whispers tale of comfort, prestige, and a burgeoning life within its walls. See, that's a little much for me. So we're going to do this again. This home is a rare gem, a beacon of stability and status, offering not just a place to live, but a canvas to paint your life's most beautiful moments. A little much for me. Okay, so I'm going to stop it. I'm going to paste that in again, and I'm going to take out. Sorry, Werner. We're going to take that out, and I'm just going to say, keep it fun and informative. Okay, this is a little better. I don't know. I feel like it might be kind of still influenced by Werner Herzog there. Um, Everybody, just a quick break here. I wanted to say thanks for watching our videos. And if you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means everything to us. Hopefully you're getting some value out of this content. And if you want to try out our free software, we've got a 14-day trial. It's a fully automated marketing and automation software that's built on the Go High Level platform, tailored to real estate professionals, tailored to home service professionals. We've got some great things that go above and beyond just what Go High Level offers, as far as, also just the additional support that we have in training. So if you want to try that out, go to p360trial.com. And again, hit like and subscribe. And I just wanted to say thanks again for watching. Okay, let's see. Nestled in the heart of prestigious McAllister Park in Olympia, Washington, lies a beacon of comfort, elegance, and the promise of cherished memories in a single-family home that whispers tales of warmth and welcomes the laughter of a growing family. As you step into this 2,567 square foot abode built with love and care in 2003, each corner tells a story of comfort, safety, and joy. The home sits proudly on a spacious 0.91 acre lot, offering not just a house, but a sanctuary for your loved ones. Imagine the space where your family's safety and security. Anytime it says family, I usually replace that with loved ones. So just as a side note there, you could probably prompt it in the prompts. Like I think, see, I put this family in there, so I should probably take that out. But I think you get the idea here. Just get your details of the home. You can modify this a little bit, but anyway, it gets you a great start on it, on how to create a great listing using ChatGPT. Hope that helps and saves you a lot of time.